This is the perfect RV for family because it has 4 beds in the back and a half bath. Starting with all the way in the back, we're just gonna mosey in. It's huge, I know.
It is very big, very large.
Now in the back, this is gonna be your kids' room.
Hangout room?
This is a hangout room. It's huge. It's huge. You have a few windows here and a bed up top and a bed down below. This is fantastic. You know, if you have an older sibling, they just wanna be up top, this is definitely doable. They have their own window and connections for, I guess, charging their devices, and one below. This is really cool on this wall because this turns into a bed as well, like so, and they get their own window. What a perk. Now, if you don't need to use that, definitely put that up when you're not in use, and this actually turns into a bed as well. I'm gonna show you guys. All you have to do is just...
It's a lot of beds.
It's a lot of bed. And boom.
And that's 4 beds. Then that one, man.
You can fit 2 people on this bed as well.
5 kids. I mean, if you really want, we could fit like 10 kids in here.
10?
10
maybe.
kids. How many kids do you want?
That's a lot of kids. Now you do have tables on either side, charging ports on either side as well. In here is the bathroom. It's a half bath.
This is cool. So kids don't have to use our bathroom?
Nope. They get their own bathroom that they can just messy up.
Messy up. That's all they do.
Dirty up. Medicine cabinet here for all of their items. Matte black finishings on the sink, faucet, and then your towel holder, toilet paper holder over here, and of course, lots of leg space. Plenty of it. Underneath,
it's good for teenagers, isn't it?
Yes. Underneath is going to be, you have some plumbing there, but there is enough space to put some other items. Oh, and not to mention, we have these bungee things for their toys. Another one here. And on this wall is going to be where your TV goes. So there's already a bracket here. That makes it so much easier when you just need to plop it on there.
There's also a lot of windows, guys. So it's kind of nice.
Yeah, a lot of windows.
Area. It's not a dungeon.
1, 2, 3, 4 windows in this room. Spectacular. Going into the living space, we have these recliners here. They do recline, so you do just have to pull it and it pops right up. Space to put your, wow, that's pretty deep. Space to put your phone, maybe some snacks.
Maybe you skilled in there.
Maybe you want to work from here and, you know, watch some TV or watch a game. Or you can even eat here. Dinners are going to be here with this booth style table. This actually turns into a bed as well.
Another bed?
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
How many beds do you guys need?
Storage underneath for those canned goods or things you're not using often. In the kitchen, we have an L-shaped kitchen, storage all around. Does this feel a little bit more luxurious?
I like that back little wallpaper. It's got that tile look on it.
Yeah, this is not tile. It looks like tile. I know, this is crazy. But every time I touch it, I'm like, what? That's not tile. Up top, storage for plates and cups. Microwave over here. Fan light and 3-burner stovetop. And they give you a knife rack, which is safety first.
That is cool.
Away from the kids. And when you're traveling, it doesn't, you know, bounce around. Or nice little oven in here for your pizzas and muffins.
It's gonna be a lot of pizzas for kids.
And drawer. Love a good drawer. Underneath is also a drawer here. And your fridge, which is pretty decent size. You know, you have your freezer and your fridge up top. On this wall, we have a TV, a little mantle for cute little decorations.
Put little plants.
Maybe some books up here.
Venus flytrap.
A Venus flytrap.
Yeah, just catch all the flies.
You could. And a fireplace for those cozy vibes. And if you come over here, there's a really nice amount of storage here to put all of your games, maybe some pillows, throws.
I definitely put my Monopoly games in there.
Yeah.
And Pokemon cards for sure.
Nice.
Yeah.
Love the farmhouse look. I love the coloration. I love the black handles. Now, if you need additional counter space, they've got you right here. All right. In this little hallway, we have the bathroom. Nice one-piece shower, skylight for that extra headspace.
Very bright in there.
It is. And then your vanity, sink, medicine cabinet up top, place to put your towel, and additional storage underneath. Look at this leg space.
That's for tall people.
It's made for everybody. Yeah, I love this. How many items can you put here? Like your stock items, you know, paper towels, maybe toilet paper and linens. And in this hallway, it's kind of cool because you can put your jackets right on this wall.
It's almost like a little mini mudroom.
Yeah.
Not really, but you can hang stuff.
You can imagine.
Yeah, one can imagine.
Okay, we have a nice large mattress in here with this farmhouse style to it. On either side of the bed, you're gonna have these charging ports here that pop up and hitting storage. Hide your valuables in there. No, don't.
Snickers bar.
Yeah, that's pretty valuable. And of course, up top, you're gonna have these very, very deep, well, I guess they go deep because I'm short. Can't reach over. But you get the picture. That is gonna be perfect for your pillows. Let me show you this closet space in the corner here. We have a window on this side and a couple of windows on that side. Mirror on these cabinets. Hangables can go here. Your shelf can come out if you need it to. Drawer 1, 2, 3, 4. These are nice and large, perfect for your jeans, t-shirts, socks, underwear. TV can go on this wall with your connections right there.
Connections is what they call them nowadays.
Yes, and then AC unit is gonna flow that ice cold air right in your room.
That's kind of cool.
Underneath the bed, some storage.
Ooh,
now,
secret storage to the storage.
Secret storage. Look at that. It's like opening Christmas gifts. Okay, you don't want to open that one, but there is a drawer, and this drawer actually pops out from this side as well if you need to access that.
And there's one right over here.
And there's one right here. Okay, wow.
There it is.
Yes. And if you need to have your CPAP machine or, I don't know, coffee maker on the side here.
That's what I would do. Put an espresso machine right here. Wake
That
up,
is
coffee, and run.
Perfect. And again, on this side, a little tighter here, but you do have this.
You get a big bed though.
As well.
It's tight, but you get a big bed.
Yeah, you get a big bed, and this is, you know, nice.
It is
to have
cool.
Dual windows, blackout shades, and that is it for bedroom. If you're wondering about the ACs, you get 2 AC units. You have one in the back and one over here. Before we go outside, we're gonna run through some specs. So the dry weight of this RV is 8,010 pounds. The gross weight is gonna be at 9,600 pounds. Exterior overall length is at 37 feet and 2 inches. Exterior height is at 10 feet and 5 inches. Your freshwater capacity is at 55 gallons. Gray water capacity is at 70 gallons. And black tank capacity is at 30 gallons. Let's go check out the exterior. All right, so right as you come outside, you have 2 awnings. They are 10 feet. This one's also 10 feet. So we do have this outdoor storage here. And we also have rock solid stabilizers. So that's gonna keep you from rocking away. Propane tanks. And of course, everything is now with a push of a button, which makes life so much easier.
Right, can't be hand cranking nothing.
Of course, you have your front end here. It's gonna be your black and white exterior. All right, all the way through, I love that. So we have our battery disconnect in here as well. It is also prepped for your side cameras, which is gonna be really great so you don't hit things. And then your tanks, electrical, tankless water heater, and of course your Jayco logo rims. So we have, remember, 2 bathrooms. So we have our tanks that need to be hooked up over here and as well as over under here. Our slide, hitch, and then it's prepped for a backup camera.
For this hitch, guys, you can't tow anything else, but you could probably put like an e-bike, maybe some a bike rack.
Yeah, and of course you have this ladder here to access the roof and solar that is up top.
Ooh, that's cool.
Outdoor kitchen, always a plus. So all you have to do is just bring this out like so, and you're ready to cook. So this is a griddle, little mini fridge, and then extra storage here. Water connections if you need to do some rinsing, and charging ports as well.
This is perfect for a family, guys.
Yeah, it really is. You know, you just take your family out on a camping trip and you have everything. So you do have speakers here, and we're back at the front. So that is really cool. It's perfect for families. If you have a bunch of kids and you're looking for an RV, this might be the one. But the coolest part of all is that if you buy this through Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits and exclusive Loves discounts. With that being said, thank you guys for sticking around to the end. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.